iPad Mini Digitizer FPC. We see this all the time. I have never actually damaged one, but apparently it's very, very common. I have some clients that send me at least one of these a week, usually 2 or 3. These are one of my least favorite connectors to do. Probably the only connector I like less than the iPad Mini Digitizer would be like any of the iPhone 6 connectors, because they're all basically the same design, just smaller. This part is always a pain, getting in here without screwing up the components next to this. All right, that should do it. Of course, that little, what is that, 100K resistor, I think? It's either 1K or 100K. Of course, it floats off. Alright. It's gonna help if I turn the heat up. I'm gonna turn the hot air temperature to, let's see, hot enough. Got that set at hot enough, and airflow I'm turning to hard enough, but not too hard. And hot enough, but not too hot. So I've made these comments a couple of times in these videos about temperature, hot enough. Really, I'm not being a smartass. It sounds like it, but the thing is, with hot air, the distance you are from what you're working on, the size of the tip you're using, the airflow that you have it set to, all of that affects what temperature actually reaches the board. So the number that is on the little display is completely irrelevant. And yours is going to be different than mine. So you always just want to do hot enough, but not too hot. Alright, cleaning these pads up. Oh, that stupid resistor. Hate that resistor. There we go. Alright, pads are cleaned. Just clean up the old nasty flux. That's not gonna work. That one's all burned up. Let's try this again. Ah, fuck you, resistor. God damn it. Oh, and your little friend, too. Fuck you both. Okay, come on. Let's get this done. Never-ending Facebook messages. I don't know how Jessa does it. And I can see why Lewis has gotten off of Facebook. It really never ends. There is a unlimited stream of people who want advice. And I don't mind giving it to them, so I end up spending half my day explaining how to do stuff to people or telling them whether they did it right or wrong or what they did wrong. Comes with the territory, I guess. Alright, so that is good. I will test it and show it working on camera, but I know it's good. All the joints are solid. And it's pointless for me to go grab a digitizer screen and test this on camera. I'll test it later, along with the other 15 things I'm fixing today. And I'll go back through and fix anything else I have to. But I know this one's going to be good. No doubts about that. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the little thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, whatever. Thanks.